Hello, I'm Sarah. Sarah's a psychiatrist. I went down back to the tea rooms and I ordered an omelette. An omelette, a plain omelette. And I eat it. And it's okay. But it's quite shit. Because it tastes a bit tangy. And I thought, I don't like tangy omelettes. But don't matter. And the bill comes. The bill comes for my omelette. £4.99 for a shitty omelette full of tangy omelette. Bloody hell! What the hell? I've been fucking. My money's been taken away with this tea room. I cannot believe it. Crappy tea, crappy sandwich, and now a crappy omelette for £4.99. What the hell?